So has Amazon like lost it or what? Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about the recent rate cuts for the Amazon affiliate or associates program and how it affects those of you who are existing affiliate marketers and maybe even those of you who are beginners looking to leverage platforms like Amazon. So stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Brian here, Revenue Pro Tips. Welcome to the channel where we bring you tips, information, and even online based opportunities every single week, multiple times a week to help you put you in a position of power over your personal and or business finance. So if you like making money, you're in a position where you need to make money, or you already have a job or existing business and you just want to make more of it, consider at any time subscribing by hitting that little red subscribe button and the bell notification right next to it so you don't miss when we upload new content. All right, now as far as today's video, we're going to be talking about the recent rate cuts to a few different categories within the Amazon Associates program. All right, now a couple weeks ago, Amazon announced that they would be making some rate cuts once again to their affiliate or their associate program. All right, and as of April 21st, this goes into effect. Now, if you are an existing Amazon affiliate or associate, or you're somebody looking to get involved into affiliate marketing, and Amazon was one of the ways in which you wanted to start making some income, well, this is not the very best news. But nonetheless, it's not going to keep you from building a solid affiliate marketing business. All right. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the few different categories that have been affected by the rate cuts, what exactly the change in terms of rate are for those affected categories, and then what you as an existing affiliate marketer, whether you're using Amazon or not, or even somebody looking again to get started in affiliate marketing, can do to build a solid and legitimate business moving forward. All right. Now, if you haven't seen the news has been all over the place, right? From small blogs to some of the biggest news and media sites out there. Okay, so it's no secret that this has happened. It's not the first time that it's happened. Actually, it happened back in 2017 where Amazon had cut rates, and now they're doing it once again. Now, there's much speculation as to the reason behind all this, right? Some people are saying that Amazon has gained such a market share in the e-commerce space that they really have not much need for associates anymore, okay, or affiliates, right? They're completely dominating. I mean, that's no secret either, right? There's others who are saying, well, they think that because of the current situation right now with the COVID-19 or coronavirus situation, that there are certain products that are just flying off the shelves, in which Amazon doesn't really need marketers to promote these products because people are buying them regardless anyways, and there's such a high demand, right? So there's all kind of speculation really, and Amazon, to my knowledge, hasn't come out with any news in relate into, you know, to basically say why exactly they have chosen to do this. All right, but that's perfectly fine, guys. Again, I said there's some categories that have been affected, some that have not. So, you know, let's take a look, and we're going to take a look at the, you know, how it's been up to this point, you know, in terms of the rates and the categories, and then how it is now changed to. This is a snapshot basically of what the rates used to be, right? So you had luxury, beauty, Amazon coins, things like that, 10%. Furniture was 8%, headphones. So basically it gives you an overall look at the percentage rates, and this this has been the rates since 2017 up until April 20th of 2020. Okay, these are the rates, and then you also see here the new rates. Okay, so you can see as of April 21st 2020 they changed the rates. Okay, so these are the effective rates. It's not showing all the categories, it's just showing only the ones that have been changed. We have changed the following standard program rate fees for these categories here on the left, and you see the corresponding rates on the right. Okay, so what I'll show you now is just a better snapshot of exactly what the rates were and what the rates are now right here, to kind of lay it out, make it look a little easier for you to see and understand. But you have the former rates prior on the left, post April 21st or April 21st, 2020 and moving forward, the new rates on the right, the categories for each in orange here. And so you can see this is, I mean, we're talking 50 to 80% decrease, in the affected categories. And, for those of you who are not necessarily involved in these categories, you could be somebody who is not affected by this. It just depends on, the niche you're in and the products that you're promoting, basically. Some people, I've seen other videos of some friends and other channels that I'm aware of where there are some people who are not affected. For instance, a friend of mine, one of their channels, they're into tech, right? And from what we know, we're not too sure, but pretty confident that tech is not necessarily affected by this, okay? So if you're somebody who does tech reviews and things like that, there's a good chance that your business will not be affected by this. So obviously it's your business, and surely that you're going to go in and take a look at this if you are even an affiliate of Amazon Associates program. You're going to want to make sure that, hopefully your business has not been affected. But if it is, it's really not all that bad. In fact, we're going to take a look and discuss now a couple things that you could potentially do, whether you're associated already with Amazon and their affiliate program, or you're somebody looking to get started in affiliate marketing, okay? So, the first thing you want to do is just relax and chill out. Unless your total income is based off of the affiliate program with Amazon, and it's within one of the affected categories, okay? But regardless, if that's you, then you want to definitely start looking for alternatives. But the first tip or suggestion I want to make to you guys is build your brand, okay? The number one thing you want to do, regardless of what kind of business, what kind of industry, what niche, product, service base, does not matter. You want to build your brand, because this is a prime example for those whose business is going to be drastically affected by this. Prime example of why you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket, okay? You want to build a brand that is bigger. And I'm not saying you could build a brand that's bigger than Amazon, but you want to build a brand that is beyond being affected in the way that some people's businesses might be affected when things like this happen, okay? You don't want to depend totally on one platform if you're in an online business for your income, okay? You want to build something that is bigger than that. So when you build your brand, whether that's a personal brand or a business brand, if you build it right, people are going to come searching for you and they'll find you. So if you're somebody who has an online business, but you used Amazon as a part of your income, right? And you're not so effective anymore in terms of income with Amazon, but you're on other platforms, right? You have other ways of creating content, delivering products and services to your customers, your clients, then people are still going to find you, and therefore they're going to want what you have, wherever you have what they're looking for, okay? So if it's not on Amazon, they're going to say, well, where is it so I can get it from you? What kind of services so you can provide them to me? Because I want the service, I want what you have, not what Amazon have. That just happens to be where they were finding the products and stuff like that, okay? So focus on building a brand. That way people will always find you, and you don't limit yourself to one platform, okay? There are some people out there who are just, kind of part-time affiliates and things like that, and they just want a couple extra dollars a month. So however, whether it's a blog, video reviews, things like that, they led people to Amazon, okay? That's fine. But those people, if they considered, what they were doing in business, well, now if they were in the categories that are affected by these rate cuts, then, they'll be lucky if they still survive. If they were only pushing for a few extra dollars a month. Now, there's some people who make a massive and considerable amount of money just from the Amazon platform alone. Those people might be okay, but, to each his own, but definitely focus on building your brand. The second thing, and to kind of piggyback off of building your brand, is to diversify your income sources, okay? So, if Amazon was one way in which you made money, make sure that it's not the only way in which you made money, okay? One of our favorite things we like to do, and one of the first things we did here at Revenue Pro Tips was, we're building a business in which affiliate marketing is a part of that business, a brand in which affiliate marketing is a part of that business and an income source. But we look for ways in which we could start other businesses around the brand, and in conjunction with affiliate marketing, that was not a lot of overhead and that we can get started with and create products or services with rather quickly. One of my favorite is merchandise, right? You have so many platforms out there where you can create merchandise and without any upfront money, right? These print on demand services. One that we use is Teespring, and we've done reviews and tutorials about how to use Teespring. So, and the great thing about merchandise, guys, is I don't care what kind of business, what niche you're in, you can make a T-shirt that people will buy. Okay, you can make house decor with some kind of funny saying, whatever it is, something to tie it to your business, but also that people find to be nice, whether that's a pillow for their couch or their sofa at home. Okay, a rug, a poster, things like this. You can do these things and people will find them and want to buy them. Okay, and again, with print on demand services, a lot of these you can develop these products with no upfront cost, and it's something that's in conjunction with your business. All right, and then speaking of merch, if you want to get a T-shirt, the link is in the description below for the revenue wear. All right, get you some. All right, but anyways, yeah, make sure you diversify. You know, sell on your website, sell on Amazon, sell wherever you can sell. Provide your services wherever you can provide them. Another way to diversify is creating courses, right? You know, e-learning courses are drastically up right now. There's a lot of people at home, right? So people are watching a lot of TV, but a lot of people are also consuming content and learning new things, right, through e-learning platforms. Okay, so one thing you want to do is, if you have knowledge, you have skill set that you have obtained and think other people out there are searching for that same information, searching to learn these new skill sets, create a course, guys. Create a digital course. Okay, little bit of time to put together. You can find other people who will help put these programs together for you for a very little price. Go on Fiverr, Upwork, and stuff like that. You have platforms like Udemy where you can host your course and people will come to and buy your course. Okay, again, in conjunction with what you're already doing. I highly encourage that. Don't try to step out and start new businesses that have totally nothing to do with what you're already doing. I mean, you can do that, but if you want to, you know, build multiple sources quickly, multiple sources of income rather quickly and without headache, generally stick to what you're doing. Just build other income streams based on the same information or the same type of service or the same type of products. Okay, just use that to create additional and multiple sources of income. All right, so courses, merchandise, different affiliate programs and offers. Sell on your website. Create a website, obviously, where people are going to come and research. Give them an option to buy there too. YouTube ads. Okay, you know, that'll be another way of creating an additional income stream, you know, within your business without going into totally something else. All right, because if you're sharing content, information with your customers and your audience, and that is a source of traffic for you, well, having if you can get your views and traffic up enough, you can start making money from ads with your channel. All right, as well as another one would be brand deals. Okay, so again, if you're somebody doing like tech reviews on your YouTube channel or on your blog, you can potentially start you know, work out some negotiations to get some brand deals. So if you review often a specific brand of camera, maybe you reach out to them. Sometimes if you're doing really well, these companies are going to actually reach out to you and provide you with equipment or whatever the product is to review, because ultimately they benefit from it, from sales being made. All right, whether that's within the Amazon platform or other platforms. So those are just a few ways, guys, to create, you know, multiple streams of income without stepping outside of your comfort zone and sticking to what you're already doing, but being able to generate multiple flows of income. All right, so that is another tip. Another critical one right now with all this going on, right, is, I wouldn't say panic, but make sure that, you know, where it's applicable, if possible, you're replacing links. Okay, so what I mean by that is, if you have again, I'm talking about camera views, or if you have like a beauty blog or a channel where you're linking to products on Amazon, some makeup or something like that, see if you can actually, if your category has been affected by the rate cuts, see if possible if you can register or become an affiliate directly of the companies for the makers of the products that you're promoting. So what I mean by that is, you know, if I'm not familiar with makeup, but for example, like a camera, right? I use a Canon M50 here on our channel for this video you're watching, and if I was linking to a Canon M50 on Amazon, I might search to see if Canon itself, the company, has an affiliate program, and if so, try to become an affiliate of Canon. One of the great benefits of doing that, guys, is becoming an affiliate directly of the companies and the makers of the products that you're linking to on Amazon, is that usually the commission rates are much higher when you're directly an affiliate of that company. So say the rate for your product that you were promoting on Amazon or linking to on Amazon was 8%, but if you were an affiliate of that company that makes that product, right, the commission rate might be 25%, might be 50%, might be much higher, okay? But generally, through my knowledge, experience, and research, the rates are generally higher than what you'll receive on Amazon. And the last one that I'll share with you guys is look for alternatives, okay? So, what I mean by that is that, did you know that Target has an affiliate program? Did you know Walmart has an affiliate? Best Buy? There's so many different other affiliate programs out there and affiliate networks that you could register for to become a part of, okay? So, I think of Target and Walmart as some that are kind of similar to Amazon. Now, I don't think none of them are even close to Amazon, right? Amazon's on a whole, they're not even on the same planet, right? They're so far ahead. But these companies are making an effort to bottom line is up their sales, okay? And so generally they're willing to also, and again, I'm not going to throw a number out there, but if I had to guess, a lot of these companies are willing to pay a higher commission rate than you'll see on the Amazon platform because they want the traffic. They want to generate more sales. Therefore, they're willing to help and pay the affiliates more. Just like, a few years back and even a few years beyond that, Amazon was paying out higher rates. But over time, they're dropping them little by little by little, different categories, some in the same category, stuff like that. But these other companies, they want more traffic. They need more customers. They want to make more sales. And therefore, they generally will pay out its affiliates a lot more. So you can look up similar platforms, similar affiliate programs to the Amazon platform. Consider those. If you can find the same products that you're promoting, that you were promoting on Amazon, but in other affiliate programs, and make more money, and your customers still are getting the same value that your product, again, same product, it only makes sense to take advantage of these opportunities that are out there. Amazon is not the only thing out there, guys. So again, search around, look for other things. Those are just a few things that you can do to help you out as you either continue to build or you look to build your affiliate business. All right. So I hope that you guys have gotten value from that. If you're somebody who has been affected by this by these rate cuts, and you have maybe some suggestions, things other people can do, let us know. Let help everybody out. Drop it in the comment below. That way people can, there's some people who might be scrambling, have no idea. You might be aware of a program or something like that that people can definitely benefit from at this time in their business. Share that with us in the comments below. With that said, if you have not already done so, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and the bell notification again. And if you've gotten value from it, like the video, hit that thumbs up button, all right? And follow us on all social media platforms at Revenue Pro Tips. And with that said, this is Brian. We'll see you soon. Peace.